B-roll of a sleek, futuristic trike RV riding through scenic roads. Narrator. Imagine combining the freedom of a motorcycle, the comfort of an RV, and the sustainability of the future rear broken bar. Welcome to the 2025 Tricycle RV, a game changer for solo travelers and minimalists on the move. Segment 1, Design Build A020-130, cut to close-ups of the RV structure, detailing bodywork, wheels, storage. Narrator. This isn't your average trike. The 2025 model comes with a lightweight, aerodynamic chassis, crafted from eco-friendly composite materials. It's compact enough for city streets, but rugged enough for off-grid escapes. 3 wheels, 1 vision. A mobility meets functionality. Segment 2, Interior Features A130-230, showcase of interior, bed conversion, kitchenette, solar panels. Narrator. Step inside the micro-living pad and yes, it has everything. A convertible bed, compact kitchen with induction cooking, smart storage, and even a fold-out desk for digital nomads. Powered by roof-mounted solar panels and an onboard lithium battery, the Tricycle RV is off-grid ready. Segment 3, Performance Tech A230-330, driving shots, dashboard, and tech features. Narrator. With the top speed of 65 miles per hour and a range of up to 200 miles on a single charge, this EV trike is more than a novelty, it's a real commuter. The onboard infotainment system includes GPS, voice control, and app connectivity, while built-in AI adjusts cabin climate and lighting to your preferences. Segment 4, Who it's for. A330-430, clips of solo travelers, campers, retirees. Narrator. Whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend warrior, or a retiree looking to downsize, the 2025 Tricycle RV offers independence without compromise. It's travel reimagined for the modern explorer.